Hello guys, how are you? We're going to eat ice cream, yummy nice, yummy ice cream. This is soda cream. Best ice cream in the world. We're going to choose our ice cream. A pink in the pink strawberry one. Brown is chocolate. There are so many ice creams and sodas and shakes. Look at this. I like the blue one. It's cherry. I love them. Eggs and pastries. There are sprinkles. Look at this. There are sprinkles. Eggs and pastries, pink, purple. I'm gonna eat my ice cream soon. That come join me. You also come enjoy this ice cream. It's so yummy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Thank you. Bye bye.